Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to move your house in Heartopia more faster and easily. Sometimes, after finishing a house built in Heartopia, you might want to adjust the positions of your house without destroying everything. And luckily, there's a quick and easy way to move your whole house. First, just open the blueprint menu. Just tap on the smartwatch and then tap on blueprint. And then before removing anything, it's a good idea to save your current house designs because this will help prevent problem in case something goes wrong or if a bug happens while moving. So that way you can always restore your original design safely. So just import the current home first. Tap on import at the empty blueprint. Tap on current home and then give a name. Like this, and then just confirm like this. And then next, just import the house designs that you want to move. And in my case, I want to move the house I'm currently using, so I will just save and import my current house again like this. I will give it the name new positions like this. And then next, just confirm creations. And then next, just select on view, and then just select on the apply blueprint. And then on here you can freely move on here like this. You can see it can be moved like this, just slides, or even you can rotate it like this. Just move it however you like. And if you see a red area while moving like this, it means that part of the land hasn't been unlocked or purchased yet, so you can place your house on it. And then next, for example, I want to rotate my house like this. And when you're done, when you're satisfied with the positions, just simply tap on the confirm like this. You can see it like this. You can see it, my house already rotate like this. You can see the difference. And as you can see, all the buildings and furniture stays exactly the same, and your house simply move to a new position safely like this. You can see it. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.